This is our Carrollwood white elephant. Before we get started, I don't know if you guys know, I am the Carrollwood champion for patient relations engagement.
Yay!
Nice to meet you. It was forced upon me. I didn't have a choice.
I believe that.
So for this month, guys, this month they want us to focus in on actively listening. It says in December we're tuning in into the power of deep listening. Okay?
To each other or to our patients?
To both, actually. To us as staff, as individuals, and as patients. So it says whether it's a patient's vulnerability or a teammate in need, we want to focus in on actively listening and listening deeply.
I think that's my problem and why we're late doing this today.
You're an overachiever, that's why.
We're not going to hold you.
She's sharing deep well. She's sharing deep.
Okay.
No, not you.
Hey, I hear
With
you.
that being said, it says that this captures the heart of what it means to care for one another every day. In the moment where emotions run high, deep listening isn't just a skill, it's an act of compassion. It can transform a routine interaction into a moment of comfort, clarity, and trust. So we want to actively listen deeply to our staff, to each other. We're a family now. We're here 10 hours a day with each other. I think we've elevated and grown to family now. So let's actively listen to each other so that we can be more productive for our patients here. Okay?
Yes,
so that's what.
That was so
that's
good.
Games begin.
Not right in your.
Okay. Told you. So this is our white elephant. Everyone is going to draw a name. We're not going to open until everyone gets their number. Okay? Everyone is going to draw a number. The first person, of course, number one goes first. And at the end, number one goes again, okay?
No
You can
cheating.
get your gift can get only stolen twice. Only two times. After it's stolen twice, it's it for it. I do have a list here, and I will let you know what gift has been stolen, okay?
Danielle also volunteered to be our ref.
Okay.
You
gotta say
That's it.
Come down.
All right.
Don't be afraid to throw an elbow in like
Who
I
has
said.
been here the longest?
Yvette.
Daddy Ferrell. Who been?
Loco
Okay, don't open it. Okay. Me. Y'all don't open it. Don't open it. Wait, no, open it again.
If you open it before everybody else,
Come on, get your number.
Russ always takes the alcohol.
Don't open it. Do not open it. Okay, we got.
I'm so scared.
Come on.
You're having a heart attack.
Don't open it.
number one, this is number one right here.
Oh my
Baby
God.
He says opening her like
Everybody got All right, don't open it yet. Come on, bitches. And then on the count, once we all get our number.
Anyone?
All right.
I'm just kidding.
All right, come on, y'all. Come on, dog.
Ruben, you get yours now.
Now,
Wait, wait.
we're going to do something different.
This is number one right here, y'all.
If you confident in your number, you can keep it. But if someone willing to switch with you, it must happen now.
Look, it's gotta be a mutual agreement. It ain't no signed contract. It's a yes or a no.
Oh
Okay?
my God.
If you trust your number, you can keep it. Don't open it yet. If you want to switch with somebody, now's the time.
Okay, got it.
Let's open the numbers then. Let's
Ready?
Go. Let's go.
I'm scared.
Number 45!
Stop it. All right, Dr. Bradley, she
I
first.
can't open mine!
Come on, you got Dr. Bradley.
Number 8.
All right, Dr. Bradley, number 8.
Who got one?
Who's number one?
Who got 2? That's fair. Who got 2? Okay, dog. Y'all gonna be surprised. Watch this. Okay, who got number 3? Me. Watch this. Y'all watch this. Who got 4? Yes. Who has 5? Who got 5? Okay, that's 5.
She is so loud.
You got 6. Okay,
I love that for you.
okay, Mel, you got 7.
Ooh,
Okay, Dr. Morales got 8. Who got 9? Okay. I got 10. Who got 11?
11.
Lisa.
I got 12.
I'm
Who
towards
got
10.
12? Gina got 12. Who got 13? Okay. Deidre. Okay. Who got 14?
Me behind the greatest dog.
Dee Dee. Who got 15? Victoria. Who got 16?
I do.
Okay.
All right. Let the games begin. Number 1. Let's go.
Come on, Missy Beth.
Let's go.
Pick a good one.
Let's go. Missy Beth, let's go.
I thought it was the last one.
Let's see. I'm sorry. What would she choose?
Prove it.
I'm gonna go with the whole package.
The whole.
It's got some weight.
It's got a little weight.
So good, you ho.
Right?
For real.
Rip it.
See that? Rip it.
Missy Beth. Is that for the pap?
That's for the pack.
It'll clean your eyesight right out, don't
Seal or do you want to pick?
Colonoscopy machine.
Let's go, Tom. Let's see.
Prove it, let's switch.
All right. Let's go, guys.
With the colorful snowflakes.
Oh, yeah.
That's what we got.
Let's see, Dog. Rip it.
Somebody was sneaking a peek.
I'm gonna.
In the office.
How many beer cans does that hold?
Six.
Six cans.
Nobody take this.
I'm already ready to steal it.
Let's go, Station.
Baby bird. Okay. Or you want to?
Do you want to steal? I want to pick. Okay.
I can't right now.
Let's go.
Put on her bow.
Oh, on the boat. Sorry.
I'm gonna make it flip.
Hey, guys. Put a big one in the back. Let's go.
Okay, baby bird.
Okay.
The big weighs more than
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Deja is heavier than you, girl.
Let's see. Okay.
I'm nervous.
Okay, these are so pink. Yes,
Food Network shit on.
Okay, so Daniela, do you want to steal or do you want to choose?
Okay. Did you want to? They want to steal.
I don't know. Y'all two go together, right?
They go together?
Yes.
Yay!
Let's see if it's good, because I was looking at that one.
Lisa, don't
Let's
steal
go.
from me.
She said, don't steal for me. Let's go. She
I already won it.
Oh, yeah.
You already have one at your desk that you don't
Right.
use.
No, you pay attention to the price on the side.
Don't play with her.
Make sure you don't burn rice. There you go.
I need that. Now, Miss Betsy, do you want to steal?
What's underneath the yellow one?
The rice cooker.
A little mini rice steamer.
A rice cooker and a food steamer.
Oh, and the food steamer.
Yeah.
Yes. Steam tray.
She can pick from out here too, but yeah, she didn't pick the first time, so.
I don't know.
Wait a minute. The blue one.
pick what you want. Boo.
The red one, the green one, the blue one.
Come on. Go big or go home. Go home, big. Okay, let's go. Careful.
What number were you? I was fine.
Look at her face. She's
All right, let's see, Daniela.
What the hell did I get?
Oh, that's not the doctor's bag.
God bless,
Jesus, shut up, Victor.
Ooh, what is this?
Jingle and mingle.
Okay, Chantel. Hey guys, we do have you. So if anybody have Cuban sandwiches, we have cookies and chips. So we have food here too, guys. So Chantel, what you getting, girl? What you getting? Chantel said she going big before or after.
Oh, you're before.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
That means I get all of that.
You're breaking your keep.
Just kidding.
All right, let's go. Rip it.
What is it? Oh,
Okay, hold on. I need. Let me investigate.
Listen, I got a new home.
I
got a new home. So
Uh-oh.
Do you want to steal? Or do you want to get? I'm checking it out.
No, I don't need no more appliances.
Let's go, Missy
Do
Bag.
that much cooking.
All right, girl.
All right.
can you imagine that's an appliance too?
I can't.
Let's see, Missy Bag.
Okay.
Let's go.
Beautiful ribbon.
Nice wrapping, whoever did
Yes,
that.
it is.
Come on,
Great
come on.
effort.
Rip it.
Oh, and they put too much tape on it.
Let's see.
Sounds like something Dr.
I like that.
Yeah, breakfast.
Missy Bag, you and your sandwiches.
Dr. Morales, do you want to steal? Oh,
Oh, see, he knows.
Shape of the boxes and stuff.
Oh, gonna get that one.
I can't. He's so
Let's
funny.
see. What did you get, Dr. Morales?
Let's see. We're all quiet.
What is it? Globus.
Cologne.
Oh.
No.
No, it's not cologne. That's on the tag.
We're all quiet.
What is
The receipt, the little tag is right here.
PlayStation.
What is this? Oh, it's right here on the inside.
Oh, it's to hold your phone.
Oh, it's so.
Oh,
Okay.
Tessa already has that.
All right.
We got a laptop.
Now we're at number 9. It's on you, honey girl.
Good one.
All right. I have some ideas on what I want to do.
Oh, so you
Is
put
it
your
speaker
phone
with it?
with the radio. If you have your Bluetooth with music, yeah, and this is a speaker, so the music comes out of here. Yeah.
Okay. What you get?
I got a candy cane.
Oh,
Crown Royal.
So we're gonna hang out at Daniela's and then we're gonna go to Jessica's.
Okay.
What are you gonna do?
Yay!
Oh.
Is that Bob? bottle in there? No, that is a glass shaker and wine glass. And it's a mug.
Just attention.
I know, that's they all want the juice.
Now I gotta pick again?
Now you gotta pick again. You can steal or pick from the thing.
You want something from you? You want something from the table or?
Don't get away from me!
Chantel, do you want to steal? Or do you want to pay? What do you like? You're doing the same thing next week. Christmas is next week.
Oh my goodness.
Look around. I already know what she's
Listen, I'm like this. Don't you dare.
I already know what she's gonna
Put my beer now. It's okay, I share.
All right, Doc. Now, Doc, do you want to steal or do you want?
I can steal too?
You can steal. You can't steal it back.
Can't steal it back.
Listen, don't you dare look over here.
I have one of those.
Okay.
Oh, you want to choose from the group over here?
So hard, it's so hard. I'll choose them.
All right, all right.
Can I lift it up and see?
All right, Doc, let's
It was
go.
nicely put with tissues in it.
Yeah.
Somebody wants a big blue bag?
Let's go. Yeah.
This is something.
A
Candle warmer lamp.
Oh my God, Doc, I love you, but it's getting harder and harder to steal from you.
Okay.
All right, now it is Lisa's
Okay.
time. Are you stealing?
I am stealing.
Oh,
I want your thing. Are you stealing from the doctors? Are you?
I got a teenager who likes the phone in the shower, so
Are you?
therefore.
She's so cute.
You're so
Merry Christmas, Noah.
Okay. Let's go.
Why the hell I gotta do this to you?
Hopefully the name ain't on it.
Secret.
Oh, you got it? I'm gonna get it. I ain't gonna get this box. We are on.
Oh, answers.
It was a joke.
Oh, okay. Oh, utility stuff. Okay, okay.
Tools and stuff. That's so
Okay. All right, Miss Jan, you done. Lisa Stone.
Uh-huh.
I know.
Jessica's holding hers too, like, nah.
I got like 2 bottles of green apple crown. I don't drink much.
Cranberry, it makes it taste like Washington apples. So delicious.
You know what? Make a mule out of it with some ginger beer and add in like a shot of Fireball, and it's like cinnamon.
Okay. We know she drinks now.
I don't.
Hey, Dr. Patel.
One drink.
This is Oh, you meant just kidding. Yes.
Yes, go.
Oh my goodness, it's a whole stick.
It's a full stick kit.
Earwax for removal.
Yes.
Yes, that is really cute. That's really
That's
cute.
really thoughtful. That's so cute.
Just in case you get sick, me. I like it. I like it.
That was smart. That's cool.
Okay.
Oh, with the honey.
Dr.
I
Peaches,
just-
do you want to?
I didn't think you were actually gonna do it. Dang it, had I known for real.
What are you picking, Dr. P? Are you stealing?
You wanna pick? He's
Okay,
picking.
I'm gonna pick. Let's pick, Dr. P.
Let's see.
Let's go, doctor, let's go.
Are we stealing?
We have a ninja blast.
Hey!
I'm
observing.
All right, Didi, are you stealing or are you picking?
Okay, smoothie.
I love y'all. Look at you two. Where are you going?
Am I getting stolen from again?
Spacious.
Where are you going?
Coming.
Okay, I ain't gonna do you like that.
No,
I don't.
That was Deja.
Oh no, sorry. Sorry, go ahead.
Is you gonna use it though?
She ain't no cooker.
She don't cook.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. No, Miss Didi. That means you got to pick again.
Yes or no?
I want to pick again. Well, you got to let her steal.
You should have let her steal then.
Oh no, I was definitely gonna. No, let her go. Let her go. Okay. It is.
Stealing is allowed just one time, right?
Yes,
Twice. One still twice.
That's the rule, okay.
Rip it.
No. Rip it. Oh, she's doing all pretty and professional.
So far.
Oh, she ripped it so cute. Massage.
Oh!
These are for your sciatic.
Ain't nobody steal nothing from Didi, please. She need that.
Exactly. Victor, what do you want, baby?
I want to survive my next actions.
Are you stealing or are you
Love you
picking?
so much.
So that's the last time. We can't eat this.
I'm not.
It's his and you, and that's it.
Uh-oh.
This is the sandwich one.
You did say you didn't want no more appliances.
No. Still prefer twice.
Asia.
Oh, Asia. The juicer for the new house.
Oh, that was terrible.
That's
the last. That's cut off.
So,
Oh my God.
I want this.
It's coming down to the wire. Are you stealing or picking? There's two left.
Okay, and the things that I can no longer steal include the
The washer and then
That's
the
it.
juicer.
No, the juicer can be stole. It was only stole once. I picked the juicer. So the juicer can be stolen.
No, Chantel had it.
You stole it.
Oh yeah.
Whoever has it is theirs.
No,
I get it.
so you stole
Right.
it.
Now I get it.
Her stealing
It's
the,
done. Oh,
the
it's done. The
juicer's
juicer's
done,
done.
this is done,
And the power washer's
the
done.
cleanser is done.
Oh, yeah, you
can.
technically.
You can.
You can steal it back.
I really like it.
All right, so this is out.
She can still pick. So wait a minute. Question. The pressure washer can't be stolen.
Yeah, it's done. Pressure washer is done. Juicer is done. Fridge is done, and this is done.
You're gonna break my 30s, aren't you?
Dr. P, can I have the ninja blaster, please?
So now you can steal from somebody, or you can pick one of the two bags.
I feel like a robber.
I'm ready to fight.
hey!
Didi, I'm gonna take a massage gun. I'll let you borrow it.
Didi, you can steal it back.
No, not like that.
Uh-oh, she coming for you.
What do we get?
So what are you gonna pick?
How many people stole from you?
Nobody.
That means it's an odd chance. So you can steal or pick one of the last two.
Underestimating those 2 bags.
Yeah, something in the bag, son. Take a
You
chance.
never know. You can't steal
Oh, what
mine.
was that?
No, honey, it's already
I
been
know.
stolen, so.
Baby's not all
That's so proud.
Not today.
I'm Missy Bell, sorry.
I'm coming.
Baby's always the better.
Nobody wants this.
Oh, you
No,
can accept
I'm
me?
just playing.
Jessica's like, no. I already got plans for this. I can't.
Hey, after this, Crown Royal and all of us in the parking lot.
I'll bring the music.
Warm wishes. Warm wishes.
Warm wishes.
Let's see. Who else is left?
Warm wishes. Moving is last.
Oh, Ruben, yeah.
That's very nice.
Ruben is gonna love this.
Yes, he is.
All
Make
right.
s'mores with him.
Ruben, you are last. Are you gonna steal or are you gonna take the last gift?
No, Ruben, don't do that. Come on, Ruben.
Ruben likes it when she's talking.
You like sit
And if she can do that shit on the go, no, I'm just kidding.
Okay, you can do what you want, Ruben.
What I want, okay.
What this
Chun
is.
chun 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 chun. The blender.
Are you gonna steal or are you gonna get?
Sorry, my fat ass took the last one.
I'm sorry. There's more. Are you gonna
For real, if you want to steal, Lisa?
Are you
Huh?
going
You
to
gonna steal?
I haven't tried it.
take that last bag, Chantel?
Do you like mint?
Because Yvette still has to go, right?
What would it be?
Yeah, Yvette still has the
I
last.
am coming.
She has that last.
She was
Number 1.
stolen.
And maybe break somebody.
All right, Jessica. Give me the round, Roy.
Hey, I'm gonna be on high All right, Justin.
So,
What are we doing, boo?
all right, I guess. Let's see. What do we get?
Let's go.
You save the best for last.
the best for last. Okay.
You said, oh. Oh, little ass.
I was about to put that on like that.
And a beverage warmer as well.
Yes.
And Starbucks.
Yes.
It says 15 to 500, so I am.
Look,
There, you get that something there, 50.
surprise.
I see that.
Well, we know you got $15
Gifts that
covered.
have not been stolen are up for grabs. The gifts that have not been stolen are up for grabs.
She covering up.
Look at Lisa.
No, for real, Missy Ray, you know I don't eat. Missy Ray, you know I don't eat in the morning, so please.
Please. Are you stealing? Are you gonna steal or are you gonna keep your gift?
Well, I'll be nice.
No,
No,
don't
but
be nice.
Roman will really like this.
All right, y'all. We will.
You can make like fondue.
I'm happy. Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
that's what you
guys.
do.
She decided to keep
I
her
am
gift.
keeping my gift.
So all of your gifts
Thank
are
you.
safe. Clap it up for White Elephant.
I'm still not, no.
Let's eat and be merry and we can finish up whatever we're gonna do.
Okay, but real talk, who purchased this? Because I'm in love with it. Who did this one?
You did. And you can answer response to the calls and it,
Listen, don't play with me.
I love this. Yeah, it likes because
Oh, wait,
now I can remove it from my TikTok shop. Let's test it out. Let's test it out.
Don't rub it in, Lisa.
What are you looking at?
Look at my face.
Steal it?
She said, look at my.
I got the pictures out.
This is from the provider center to you
Oh,
guys.
this is from the provider. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Brown. Thank you, Dr. Peter. Thank you.
We appreciate you guys so much.
Who you looking for?
I don't know, I think it was one short, but we'll figure it
It
out.
probably needs to be charged just a little.
Mel. I wanted my juicer, Mel.
Thank you, doctor.
Jessica,
You can bring your vegetable, your fruit over.
Melania.
I legit was looking at this for Noah. I love it.
What else we got? Way around here.
And it amplifies the music.
Like a little port.
Thank you, Dr. B.
I think I got everybody. If I forgot, let me know.
Yeah,
Got
that's what I've done. Yeah, I got mine.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Y'all are so
I love you
cute.
guys.
Thank you.
I'm gonna cry. Thank you, Dr. Prowse. I love you so much. Thank you, Dr. Prowse, for always having me. I love you.
She over here giving her acceptance speech or something.
Yeah, I'm gonna cry.
Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Thank you guys. There you go.
I'm ready for the holidays.